Just got this in from Amazon. Doing a review on it, and so far it's a very good product actually. I mean, don't have any complaints about it. It comes in a well packaged box, and it's a little big for the case and the charger, but I'm guessing that's just because it probably takes more power and to charge it more. And the design of it is pretty good though. So you can actually see the display on it for how much battery it has on the charger, and whenever the headphones are dead, or they're at least almost dead, they're charging. So that's a pretty good display on it. I've had some other headphones that only tell you, like, I guess the bar, but it doesn't actually tell you the percentage of it. So that's a pretty good plus on it. I've never actually had this product before, but so far so good. Everything's looking pretty good. I've already connected them to my phone. Very simple, very easy. I'm pretty sure that most of the people here who've had headsets before know how to do that. And the design of the headset, it's pretty unique. It's got the RZ logo, and then the top you have the volume up and volume down buttons. And I do like the fact that it has like the corner, it kind of has an insert